In this tutorial, we will be learning about the customization in desktop. This is Ubuntu desktop. You go there and you find the menu. Right click on that and you'll find this option change desktop background, and this is the one which we'll explore in this tutorial. Click on that. It will open up the appearance from all settings. You can also open this by going to System Settings and select the first option in Personal, which is Appearance. We are into this look, and this is our Ubuntu, where there are various wallpapers given by Ubuntu is placed. This is selected and we can change it if we want to. Let us click on this one, and as you can see, it has been changed. Now the second is behavior. The auto hide launcher, where the launcher will reveal when moving the pointer to the defined hotspot, is off. We can make it turn on, and as you can see, the launcher is gone. But we want it, so we'll put it as off by default. If you have changed something that you didn't want to change and you want to go back, you can always click on this restore default behaviors. So this is how you can change that. You can also select the desktop background from your pictures and other folders, or you can select it from colors and gradients, just like this. So let us pick a color. Let's say this one. Select, and this side, let's say this one. Select. So this is how it looks like. We can change it like this if we want to, or we can select the single color. So this was a basic tutorial upon changing the desktop in Ubuntu. See you for the next tutorial. Thank you.